Okay, next we're going to talk about linear word problems. So number 1 says Joe is 3 times as old as Bob. The sum of their ages is 64. Write an equation that could be used to find Bob's age x. Then find how old Joe is. So some keywords here. We got Joe is 3 times as old as Bob. The sum is 64. And we want to write an equation that finds Bob's age x. So on these type of problems, I like to start by writing the names, Joe and Bob. Then look at which one it told me to put as x. Bob's age x. So Bob is x. Joe is 3 times as old as Bob. Well, if Bob is x and Joe is 3 times that means Joe is going to be 3x. It says the sum of their ages is 64. So sum means I add their two ages together. So 3x plus x is 4x equals 64. So this part here would be my equation, 4x equals 64. Now, it also says find out how old Joe is. So I'm going to have to take this equation and solve it, which is pretty simple. It's just a one-step equation. I have to divide both sides by 4, and I get x equals 16. Now, it's important to understand whose age is 16. Well, x is 16 and Bob is x. So that means Bob is 16. But it wants me to find Joe. So Joe is 3x or 3 times x. So 3 times 16 is 48. So then Joe is 48. Number 2 says Jill is 3 more than twice as old as Jack. The sum of their ages is 39. Write an equation that could be used to find Jack's age x. Then find how old Jill is. So again, we got Jill is 3 more than twice as old as Jack. Sum is 39, and Jack's age is x. So again, we got Jill and Jack. It says Jack's age is x. Now, Jill is 3 more than twice as old. Well, twice as old means 2 times. So Jill's going to be 2x. 3 more than means I add 3 to Jill's age. Again, we're talking about the sum is 39. So 2x plus x is 3x. There's nothing to add to the 3, so I got plus 3 equals 39. So again, this would be my equation that I'm going to use. Again, I would need to solve that equation. So 3x plus 3 equals 39. Variables on the left-hand side, get rid of the addition first. So minus 3, which gives me 3x equals 36. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 12. Again, find out whose age that is. Well, that's Jack's. So Jill would be 2 times 12, which is 24, plus 3, which is 27. So Jill is 27. Okay, example 3. Cam's Car Wash offers 2 packages to choose from. Package 1 is $30 a month plus $5 per wash. Package 2 is $60 a month for unlimited car washes. How many car washes would make the deals the same? So if you think about this, we need a variable for the number of washes. So we can let x equal the number of car washes. Package 1 is $30 a month plus $5 per wash, so 30 plus 5x. Package 2, it's just $60. It doesn't matter how many car washes you get. You get as many as you want in a month. Now we want to know when the deals would be the same. So I want to know when package 1 would equal package 2. So package 1 is 30 plus 5x. And I want to know when that'll equal package 2, which is 60. So we just worked that out. It's an equation. Variable's on the left-hand side. It's not by itself. So I got to get rid of the 30 first. So I got a minus 30, which gives me 5x equals 30. And then I have to divide both sides by 5. So then I get x equals 6. That means 6 car washes is when the two deals would be the same.